因为它是先天有基因的缺陷，因为目前我们还没有特别好的技术来修复这些基因，而且它这个基因导致的实际上是它有个白细胞一个酶缺乏。这个因为白细胞呢，因为我们都知道跟造血联系在一块儿的，我们要能改变它这个造血，可能就会把这个酶的问题解决了。所以来讲呢，没有别的办法可以治疗，只有通过骨髓移植的办法。
In a bone marrow transplant, stem cells are transplanted from one person to another. These cells are found in bone marrow, umbilical cords, and placentas. They can develop into many different kinds of cells.
就是说，这种细胞可以像很多细胞分成很多细胞，等能让它，比如说你让它变成造血，长出白细胞来，它是可以的。哎，长出一块肌肉也有可能的，长块骨头都是可以的，它是万能的，它可以沿着你希望的方向，它会变，就是说希望的方向去分化。
The doctors developed a two-pronged treatment plan. In the first step, they would implant stem cells that would produce healthy white blood cells to replace the defective ones. The new white blood cells would secrete enough of the necessary enzyme to halt nerve deterioration. The second phase was to restore her learning skills and motor control.
我们再给它加一种细胞，医学上叫间充质干细胞，它的确是能够修复一些神经损伤。
The plan to halt the disease and repair the existing damage seemed sound, but it had never been tried before. No one was sure if it would work. It was uncertain whether Zhufu could be saved. The little girl had no brothers and sisters, so doctors scoured the Chinese marrow donor program for a suitable candidate. Unfortunately, a perfect match was not found. Zhufu's condition continued to deteriorate. She could wait no longer without risking complications. The doctors from the hematology department of the Air Force General Hospital were forced to seek donor marrow that was only half a match of Zhufu. A complete match is the best for bone marrow transplants, but such scenarios are rare. Only about one donor per million is a perfect match. However, if the patient only requires a half match, parents or siblings could become possible for donors. Zhufu's parents were happy to hear their own marrow might save their daughter. However, since their marrow was only a half match for the daughter, they worried that Zhufu's body would reject it.
其实排斥的反应什么的，我们给它的细胞种不上，就像是我们一个种子往这个土壤种一下，它种不上去，它长不出来东西，这是来的叫排斥掉了。排异反应也有时候也是要命的，它就会表现很多对组织的杀伤，对身体的伤害很大。全相合呢讲也有这种并发症，但是呢就是相对来讲呢就是发生率低。随着咱们医学的进步，哎，现在很多新药在上市。预防了这些反应，哎，所以现在讲半显核的技术也非常成熟，我们院已经做了10几年了，所以也积累了很多的经验，基本上移植的疗效跟全显核是一样的。
These words eased the concerns of Zhufu's parents. Tests showed that Zhufu's mother was the more suitable donor. The doctors carefully reviewed the treatment plan.